Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Chargeflow settlement, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin the withdrawal process from your Chargeflow settlement, log in to your Chargeflow account. Make sure you have your account credentials ready. Navigate to the dashboard once you are logged in. Locate the Settlements section in the main menu. Click on Settlements to view all of your pending and completed transactions. Identify the specific settlement you wish to withdraw from. Click on that settlement for more details. Look for the Withdraw option within the settlement details. Select the Withdraw option to initiate the process. You will be prompted to choose your preferred withdrawal method. Review the available withdrawal options carefully. Select the method that best suits your needs. If you select bank transfer, ensure that your banking details are correct. For alternative methods, follow the on-screen instructions. Once you've chosen a withdrawal method, confirm the transaction. Review all details to ensure accuracy before confirming. After confirmation, a withdrawal request will be submitted. You should receive a notification regarding the status of your withdrawal. Monitor your email for updates on your request. The withdrawal may take some time to process, depending on the chosen method. Keep track of the estimated processing times for your selected withdrawal option. If you experience any issues, contact Chargeflow support for assistance. That wraps up the steps for withdrawing from a Chargeflow settlement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.